Good morning, people. I'm a tasty nigger. Finnish. Do you like that name? And my house. I sniff my house very good. Nigger. No. This morning I coffee maker. Nigger. No, I nigger. Finnish. Yes. Finnish water. Finnish water. Finnish water is good. This is my warm cock. Yes, I need cock's flesh, Finnish and milk, but not Finnish milk, because cock milk is warm. That is very funny. No. That is no funny. But what is funny? That nigger name. What is that nigger name? I'm funny. I'm funny nigger. Cox is funny. Finnish is funny. Nigger is funny. Do you like that name? Yes.